Do you want to go for shopping? कपड़ों की नहीं, we are going to a fruit market and we want to buy some fruits and vegetables. So let's go into this chapter, सप्तमः पाठः संख्या. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूँ आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. Press the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So let's get started. आरंभं कुर्मः. If you are aware of the 5-star ad, same character Suresh and Ramesh are here with us doing shopping in this fruit and vegetable market. So let's see what are they talking in Sanskrit. Sureshah says, Aho Ramesh, kutra gacchati? Oh Ramesh, where are you going? Aparam gacchami. Wherever there is gacchami, it means aham. Aham aparam gacchami. I am going to the market. Aham api agacchami. Api is also. I am also coming with you. So both of them are now going together. So he asked, Bhavan kim kretum ichhati? What are you going to buy, or what is your wish to buy? Aham phalani kretum ichhami. I want to buy some fruits. Pashyatu tatra eva phalavipani asti. Chalatu. He says, see there, pashyatu. Tatra eva. Only there I can spot some phalavipani. A market, a shop where there are fruits. So a fruit market. Chalatu, let's go. Panchamyam viparnyam pakvani phalani santi. So they are like a rows of market. And then he spots some very good fruits in the 5th market, 5th shop in the line. Panchamyam viparnyam. In the 5th market, in the 5th shop. Pakvani phalani. There are some ripe and not raw. If it is raw, apakva. If they are ripe, pake hue, then we say pakva. Pakvani phalani santi. There are some ripe fruits. So while talking to anybody, so we don't say, uncle wo kitne ka diya. We would say, oh good person. And that word is bhadra. So Ramesh called this person, the phala vikreta, the fruit vendor, as bhadra, oh good man. Ambra phalanam kiyat mulyam. Kiyat is how much. Mulyam is the value. What price are the mangoes? Panchashat rupyakanam dasha phalani. If there are dasha phala, 10 fruits, the mulyam will be panchashat, 50 rupees for 10 mangoes. Oh, बहुत सस्ते हैं. कितने लेना चाहते हैं आप बताइए? Then Ramesh also asked him, Dvadasha kadali phalanam, and that it is understood. Kiyat mulyam. What is the price of 12 kadali phala, meaning bananas? So 12 bananas, kiyat mulyam. Shodasha rupyakani. 16 rupees. Please observe the word 16. 6 is called shat. 10 is called dasha. When brought together, it will become shodasha and not shat dasha. Okay? Then he also wants to buy some mangoes. No. Mangoes to ho gaye. Then bananas, done. Then he wants to buy naranga phala, means oranges. How many? Only 4. Chaturnam naranga phalanam kiyat mulyam. And what about the price of 4 oranges? So only 4 oranges. He says vyumshatihi rupyakani. Vyumshatihi 20. 20 rupees. Now just look at this number and tell me 50 is called panchashat. 16 shodasha. 20 vyumshatihi. So after observing all the rates of all these fruits, he decides to buy something. He says, Tarhi mahyam trinshat kadali phalani dadatu. Tarhi is then. तो फिर मुझे इतने दे दीजिए. क्या? Then mahyam, for me. English to me. Then just give me 30 bananas. Okay, so he wants to buy 30 of these. Then Ramesh adds, Mahyam dvadash naranga phalani dadatu. Ramesh wants to buy 12 of oranges. So please give me 12 oranges. And then they say, Kiyat mulyam. What is the price? He says, Kadali phalanam chatvarinshat. 40 rupees for the bananas. Narang phalanancha shashtihi. And for all these 12 oranges, the mulyam price is 60 rupees. Shashtihi. Total then he says, Shata rupyakani svikarotu. Okay, if both of the friends are going together, they are not going to pay differently. They will pay only one total and then they will do the contributions later on. Or if preferred to, they won't contribute. Let one friend pay for the other. Shata rupyakani svikarotu. Take this 100 rupees because chatvarinshat plus shashtihi, 40 plus 60 is 100 shatam. And then phala vikreta say bhavatu. Bhavatu is a word for okay. We can also say astu. Okay, so okay is astu, bhavatu. Both are correct. So this was our short and sweet samvadaha. Rameshaha and Sureshah going to phala vipani. They go to the 5th phala vipani, 5th shop, and they buy some naranga phalani and kadali phalani. And the total is shatam rupyakani. The purpose of this chapter was us to learn sankhya from eka till shatam. Now let us proceed to abhyasa karyam. First question says, pronounce the following words properly. Apanam. Apanam means a market. Kretum. Kretum for buying. Tatraiva. Tatraiva. There only. Next, there is no such word as what is written here. As per our chapter given, there shouldn't be any T. Just vipanyam means in the market. So please delete this word T. Vipanyam. Vipanyam. Panchashat. Panchashat, 5050. Rupyakanam, of rupees. Rupyakanam. Chaturnam. Chaturnam, of 4. Naranga phalanam. Naranga phalanam, of the oranges. Mahyam, say a little bit of her and then directly focus on year. Because her के साथ य join है. Mahyam. Mahyam. Shata rupyakani. 100 rupees. Shata rupyakani. Dvitiyah prashnah. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. Dvadash kadali phalanam kiyat mulyam. What is the price? What is the value of dvadash? 12 kadali phala. 12 bananas. So as per our chapter, it is Shodasha. Please don't write whatever the rates are going on in the market right now. Please follow what is written in the textbook because this is Abhyaskaryam of the chapter and not open-ended questions. Shodasha 16. Kati naranga phalana mulyam vyunshati rupyakani. Kati is how many? The rates are given 20 rupees. So how many oranges can we buy in 20 rupees price? Chaturnam naranga phalanam mulyam. 4 oranges price is 20 rupees. Chaturnam. Kaha phala vikretre shatarupyakani dadati. Who is the friend that gives 100 rupees to the fruit vendor? Ramesha or Suresha? Ramesha. Ramesha. Kati naranga phalani krinati. Krinati, to buy. How many oranges did Ramesh buy? Dvadasha, 12. Trinshat kadali phalanam kiyat mulyam. What is the price of 30 bananas? चत्वारिंशत् 40. अग्रिमः प्रश्नः, मैच A and B column appropriately. अत्र संस्कृत संख्या नाम अत्र संस्कृत संख्या अस्ति. So let us see this way. Whatever numbers are written, you need to add it. Okay. So Nava Navatihi. Nava is 9. Navatihi means 90. What does that mean? 90 plus 9, 99. So here it is. Nava Navatihi is the Sanskrit word for this number. Shat Saptatihi. Shat is 6. Saptati is 70. 76. And that is year 76. Navachatvarishat. So 40 and then 9. 49. Atra asti. Navachatvarishat. Pashyatu. Ekashitihi. This I will mark as important. These two. Eka is 1. Ashitihi means 80. 81 is Ekashitihi. And that is this side. Next is Sharnavatihi, where it is difficult to identify, but this is Shat. And this Ana becomes Na. So, Navatihi. 6 plus 90, 96. Sharnavatihi atra asti. Okay, so don't get confused in this one. Phalani, Mulyam, fruits, price, and again Vastu and Mulya. So, the question is, how many Kadali Phala, bananas we get in Chatustrinshat Rupyakani? Now the twist is, here the Mulyam is 35. So in 35, if we are getting 12 bananas, in 34 rupees, how many bananas will you get? Of course, the same. Dvadasha. 1 रुपया कम होगा तो 1 केला कम नहीं हो जाएगा. द्वादश कदली फलानाम चतुस्त्रिंशत् रूप्यकाणि. पंचदाडिमानां मूल्यम कति रूप्यकाणि? पंचदाडिमानां चत्वारिंशत्. तो 40 को कैसे लिखेंगे? राइट, चत्वारि अनुस्वार शत. चत्वारिंशत् रूप्यकाणि 40 rupees. दश आम्रफलानां मूल्यम कति रूप्यकाणि? So if 24 mangoes are costing Shata Rupyakani, what is the rate for 10 mangoes? So थोड़ा गणित कर लेते हैं. दश शतम चतुर्विंशतिः. The answer will be 41.67, round off 42. दश आम्रफलानां मूल्यम द्विचत्वारिंशत्. 42 द्वि पहले लिखेंगे और जो चत्वारिंशत् हमने दूसरे क्वेश्चन में लिखा, we will repeat that. द्विचत्वारिंशत् 42. Again we have to see this table and write true or false whether these sentences are correct or not according to this table. Dasha seva phalanam mulyam ashtanavati rupyakani. It says 10 apples and the price is ashtanavati, 98. Let us check. Seva Falani, Dasha, 98. Yes, this is correct. Truth. So we write am or you can write true. Okay, true, false, am or na. Upanetrasya mulyam. So we have this funny type of Upanetra, chashma. Mulyam is panchashat rupyakani, 50 rupees. Let us check. Upanetram are costing 75. Pancha saptatihi. So this statement is false. No, ऐसा नहीं है. युतकस्य मूल्यम, शर्ट का प्राइस है पंचषष्टिः, meaning 65. Let us check. Yutakam 65. This sentence is correct. This is true. Again a little twist. Kasya मूल्यम पंच सप्ततिः रूप्यकाणि अस्ति. किसका प्राइस 75 है? अत्र उपनेत्रम is given. We have been asked kasya, so we are going to write upanetrasya of the specs. Panchadadimanam 5 pomegranate मूल्यम कति रूप्यकाणि. So let us find where are panchadadima. 40 is called चत्वारिंशत्. 40 rupees for 5 pomegranates. तालस्य मूल्यं कति रूप्यकाणि अस्ति? ताल is lock and key. So talam cost 60. The Sanskrit word is shashtihi. Shashtihi रूप्यकाणि for lock. षट्चत्वारिंशत् 46 रूप्यकाणि कस्य कस्य मूल्यम अस्ति? So means 46 एक या दो जगह पे होना चाहिए. Okay, I can see one कर्तरी and one here. कस्य कस्य मूल्यम द्राक्षा फलानि. I am going to write द्राक्षा फलानाम. Okay, consider this as ph. द्राक्षा फलानाम कर्तरी. So make it genitive case, षष्ठी विभक्ति. कर्तर्याः च मूल्यम अस्ति of grapes and of scissors. Write in words. 68. पहले 8 लिखना है और फिर 60. 8 को कहेंगे अष्ट. 60 is called षष्टिः. अष्ट षष्टिः. 74. पहले 70 का आप सोच लीजिए और पीछे लिख दीजिए सप्ततिः. Now you think of चतुः सप्तति, चतुस्सप्ततिः. वैसे यहाँ पे I am going to give you two options. One you write चतुः सप्तति and other you combine this and go for half sa joining this sa. Both are correct. 100 is called shatam. 88, very important because ashta then ashitihi will form a sandhi together, so that's why this will be called ashtashitihi. So 50 is called panchashat and 7 is called sapta. Sapta panchashat. These are the answers, please check. Dvishashtihi means 2 and 60, 62. So we are going to write it like this way. Let us solve that numbers first. Dvinavatihi. Navatihi is 90, Dvi is 2. So 92 is written like this. Saptatrinshat. Sapta 7, Trinshat 30. 37. 3 like this, 7 like this, 37. 3 panchashat. 3 plus 50. Panchashat. 53. Like this. Panchachatvarishat. 5 and 40. 45. Like this. Now let us write the remaining ones in words. This is 87. So I'll consider 80 and 7 first. Sapta joining with 80, ashitihi will be sapta shitihi. This is 56. Let me clarify for you. This is 87. 56 is panchashat, but with 6. Shat panchashat. 82. Okay, so this is again important because now we write dva. Instead of e, I am going to write ya. Dvyashitihi. This is 83. Again important. Triyashitihi. Mark it as star. 88 is simple. Ashta plus ashitihi. Ashtashitihi. The complete episode of numbers 1 to 100 has been covered in simplified Sanskrit Vyakaran. Please check the description box for the link. And next chapter will be the last chapter of this semester. Keep learning, have fun. Dhanyavadaha. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.